Carrots, the natural food to remove cough and phlegm from your lungs, recipe included. We are all aware of the fact that carrots are exceptionally healthy vegetables, high in B-carotene and vitamin A, which are vital for our eye health. Carrots are also a rich source of vitamins K and B, as well as numerous minerals, including manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and iron. Despite being extremely beneficial for eye health, these vegetables have a beneficial effect on the bowel movements and boost the immune system. Furthermore, they provide a great help in the case of asthma, coughs, bronchitis, colds and all kinds of respiratory issues. This natural recipe can be used in both adults and children, and will successfully treat cough and eliminate the phlegm from the lungs. This is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1/2 kilogram of carrot, 3/4 spoons of honey. Instructions: you should take the carrots and cut them into slices. Then, pour some water over them and boil them in order to soften. Then, remove them from the heat, and mash them in a blender or with a fork. Remember to keep the water in which you boiled the carrots. Leave it to cool and add the honey in it. Next, add this water to the mashed carrots in order to prepare your natural syrup. Keep it in a cold place or fridge, 810 degrees/4650 Fahrenheit. Use. This natural syrup is completely safe, so you can use it frequently. Take 3-4 spoons of it throughout the day. The results will be noticeable after only 1 or 2 days. It will eliminate the phlegm from your lungs and it will effectively cure the cough. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.